Hello, fellow hair loss people. So this is my day 145 post-op hair transplant review. So at my foot out, there's pretty intense lighting going on right now. I've got my overhead light on. I've got natural light coming in for the windows, and you can tell from the foot out that it looks pretty good. You can't really see many voids. So getting up closer, you can see here, particularly in this one region, the density is not quite full yet, but along the line of where my native hair was and my transplanted hair, it's pretty dense now. So I'm very happy. Well, honestly, if my right side, if it stopped right here, I'd still be incredibly happy, because that foot out presentation is just, it looks really, really good. With that being said, I'm not even really at 5 months yet. 5 months will be coming up towards the end of this week, so I do expect it to continue to get denser. Looking at my left side, it looks pretty good. Again, as you guys know, it's been struggling to come along, but I think that it looks substantially better, especially with my hair parted, and my hair is a little bit on the long side right now too. So kind of the combination of everything makes my hair look pretty good. But I do hope that this density comes in quite a bit more. I would say that my left side is kind of where my right side was, right around the 4-month mark. So I think it's trailing about 3 weeks or so. So I do expect it to get better, but overall it is looking very good. And again, keep in mind, I'm under pretty harsh light right now. And you can see that the density blends in nicely with all of my native hair. So looking at the back of my head, I'm pretty happy with how my crown has turned out. I know crowns are usually much slower to heal than the rest of the head. Usually the hairline will grow in much quicker, and then your crown, you won't start to see density until much later. I've already seen good density. It's also worth noting that I did just shower recently, so my hair is maybe a tiny bit wet still. So, you know, overall, I'm very happy with both hairline and crown with how it's looking so far. I was at the beach this weekend, and one thing that I want to talk about too is post-op care and exposure to the sun. A lot of you guys ask about, can you wear a hat? How often should you wear a hat? Can you be out in the sun? You know, and what kind of to do? Keep in mind that the better care that you take of this, the higher likelihood you have of graft rate succession. So I personally chose to wear a hat most of the day at the beach, just because even 5 months post-op, I just didn't want to take any risks with getting any of my hair follicles burned. It's a risk that I didn't want. My rest of my face, you guys can probably tell, I got a pretty substantial tan on, kind of from here down. But it is important to make sure that you're taking care of these follicles, because the more nutrients you can give them, the more minoxidil you can give them, and the more care that they're getting in post-op just allows for a more successful graft rate. So it's important during this healing time to just make sure that you're taking care of them. But once again, looking in, if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for all my future updates. Thank you guys.